All right, so 2.4 day 2 is we're just going to be dealing more with linear equations. So the first thing I want to talk about are parallel and perpendicular lines. Okay, so if you remember from Algebra 1, parallel lines have the same slope. Okay, so that's the huge thing to remember with parallel, same slope. Perpendicular. So if you don't know what the word perpendicular means, it means that they make a 90-degree angle. So they intersect at a 90-degree angle. Perpendicular lines, their slopes are opposite reciprocals. So for example, if the slope is -3, the new slope would be the opposite, so positive, reciprocal, 1/3. Another example, if I had 2/3, the opposite reciprocal slope or perpendicular slope would be negative, because that one first one's positive, and then flip it 3/2. So that's how you do opposite reciprocals. Okay, so the first example said, what is the equation of each line in slope-intercept form? So we have to get it in slope-intercept form, we know that. And we need the line that's parallel to y equals 2x minus 4. So it's parallel, it's going to have the same slope. So the slope will be 2, but it needs to go through this point right here. So we get to use the lovely point-slope form, which is this point-slope formula. So we need to, this will be x1, this will be y1, and then the slope is going to be 2. So now we just need to plug it in. I have y minus 3 equals 2 parentheses x minus, my x1 is -1, so I'll just write +1, same thing. If you write minus negative, it's okay, same thing. All right, but it told us that we needed to get it into slope-intercept form, so we have to do a little magic. So go ahead and distribute that 2. We have 2x plus 2, bring this down. Now last thing for slope-intercept form, remember we have to have the y by itself. So let's add 3 to both sides. Y equals 2x plus 5. And that is your equation in slope-intercept form. Some things to double check. Does it have the same slope? Well, the slope's 2 here and slope's 2 here, so that's a good sign. Okay, let's go on to letter B. So we need the line perpendicular to y equals 4x plus 2/3 through that point. So our new slope, if the old slope was 4, our new slope is going to be -1/4. And let's go ahead and plug it into point slope. So I have y minus 5 equals -1/4 parentheses x minus 8. Go ahead and distribute. And that's a +2. Then add 5 to both sides. Y equals -1/4 x plus 7. And that is your equation in point-slope form, or in slope-intercept form. Okay, letter C, the line perpendicular to y equals 1/2 x. So the new slope will be the opposite, so it's going to be negative. Reciprocal, which will be 2. And then we have y minus 4 equals -2 parentheses x minus 1. So y minus 4 equals -2x plus 2. Add 4. Y equals -2x plus 6 is your answer. Alrighty, and that is it for that section.